Hi, let me show you how to turn on and off silent mode on any iPhone. So if you have iPhone 15 or newer models, then on the left side of the phone you will see this action button. By default, if you press and hold the button, you can enable silent mode or disable silent mode. So in the dynamic island, you will see confirmation for the silent mode or for the ring. Now silent mode is turned on and now ring, as you can see. Now you can also do the same by going in control center. So swipe down from top right corner, find bell icon, tap it once to turn on silent mode and tap again to turn off. So when this icon is white, silent mode is turned on, and when the icon is black, it is off. Now, if your action button is set to something else, then go ahead and open Settings. In the list, search for the action button and make sure to set it for this silent mode. And then you will save changes just by going back. And each time you will need to enable it, you just need to press this action button. Also, you can control it for your settings. So in the settings, search for the sounds and haptics tab, and you will see the switch for silent mode. When it is red, then silent mode is turned on, and when it is white, turned off. So you can control it from here as well. If you have iPhone 14 or older models, then the only way how to enable and disable silent mode is to move that silent and mute switch like that. So when you move it to the left side, you will see orange line in it. And in the dynamic island, you will see this action silent, meaning that silent mode is on. You can move it to the right side like that to see status green, and with this way you will disable silent mode. So again, move to the left side to turn on silent and move to the right side to disable silent mode. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.